Hello guys, welcome to my channel this evening. Today I have some items before us. This is what I call a garlic. I have a flat plate. I have a teaspoon. I call this a bread knife sometimes. Then I have a grater and a little bowl. Then finally I have natural honey. I'll peel my garlic. The next thing I'll do is to make sure I'll grate it. I want to use the little portion, not the larger part. I want to make sure I grate to the last point. This is what I have. The next thing I'll do, I'll take 2 teaspoons of the honey. I'll take 2 teaspoons of this and apply to the already grated garlic. As one. Make sure it drains properly. Second one. Then I'll mix this properly. You can see what I have now. Properly mixed the grated garlic and the honey. You can use this remedy first thing in the morning and last thing before you go to bed. It is a remedy for the reduction, or not totally, maybe totally reduction of cough, and sometimes for people that are asthmatic, when they use it too, it will reduce the effects. So I'll leave this in the morning and in the evening. In the morning when I wake up, then in the evening before I go to bed. If I have cough, I'll just take quantity, just take something like this and I'll lick it in the morning, then in the evening before I go to bed.